Along with other elements, modifying the header buttons are just as easy. So if you need to add a new button, you can drag it in from the bottom. And from here, I'm going to hit the gear, and I can change if I scroll down to button 2, which is what we're on, I can change the text. I can change where it links to. So if I want this to go to maybe google.com, I can put that in there. Target means if you want it to open in the current window or if you want it to open in a new tab, for example. And then we have the rel, which you can ignore, and then a radius, you can change that as well. And then we can also change the colors. I can change the style. And I can change the size. And a few other options such as depth. Again, with everything else, you can also drag to rearrange it if you'd like. You can put that really anywhere you'd like in the main header.